at their work spaces, recruiting people to vote, recruiting learners. I saw this other colleague, which is a pedagogical practitioner. She had a period for allowing learners to vote. Imagine there were voting stations in schools. Learners would be allowed to bring phones to school so that they can vote. It was the support. It's, I don't know how to put it in words, because there's I lack certain words. I don't wanna lie. I lack certain words. So for me, yeah, it's. I love that. I love that. I just appreciate it. I don't wanna lie. But yeah, guys, let's continue. We're doing this. Guess what? My grandmother was like, if they had my grandmother had Big Brother's number, I would be out of the house in the early weeks of Big Brother. My cousin brother told me, the one who was managing my accounts, told me that my grandmother was like, guys, call Big Brother and say he must get that boy out of that house. That's my grandmother. Bena ngizetembeni labantu abanimali imali yami. I just forgot the other part of it, but there are a lot of Amagwijo I know I forgot. Actually, you reminded me. I'm going to search one of the pages and just search. I was amazed by also my cousin, my little my niece is singing the one of Uyanda, the one Uyanda zamale zamale Uyanda luna Uyanda zamale zamalele zamazam 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 zamale Uyanda luna Uyanda. Indoni zamalele, guys. Indoni zamalele. Ewe ndingumXhosa. Can you explain indoni zamalele? Izamalele is like iwoza ne? Like iwoza. Like ubheka mina ndedwa. Or it's like ubheka mina ngedwa. I-love portion nyana here and there. Indoni lizamalele. I-vibe. Oh ha! Akiri, they told me that Uyanda unezamalele. Uyanda has zamalele. At least Uyanda, they said sweet Guluva won, so at least Uyanda has the zamalele way. Uyanda nezamalele. Izamalele. Isos. Gumtsalane. Oh yes, that's the word. Yes, that's the word, but I get you, guys. I get